Straumann SIRIOS portfolio, Crown and Pre-Op Workflow. Select Crown and Bridge to create a new crown case. Add the patient information. If the patient already exists, simply type his or her name in the search box. Then, select the desired patient. If it's a new patient, click Add Patient to create a new patient. Complete all fields and click Save. Add the restoration to the dental chart. Select the type of restoration, the material, the shade, as well as the implant kit if it's an implant case. For bridge creation, select the two tooth numbers in the circle and add the restoration, for example, a crown. Then, unselect these and select the middle one to add a bridge as a restoration. Once all restorations are selected, click the three tooth numbers and add the material and shade. Then, click Create a Bridge to splint these together. Add a pre-op scan to scan the tooth before the prep. This will add one scan to your scan sequences. Follow the scan sequence displayed on the left hand and start scanning. To learn more about each tool available on each screen, refer to the Straumann SIRIOS portfolio Tools and Functionalities video available on YouTube. Once finished, use either the Next button in the software or the Mode button on the SIRIOS handpiece to continue scanning the opposing arch. Scan the opposing arch. Scan the bite. For quadrant scans, only one bite key is needed. Scan 3 to 4 teeth with 3 to 4 millimeters of gingiva. The scanner will stop to confirm the bite key has been acquired. In the preparation scan, simply scan on top of the reloaded pre-op scan. Preparation will then replace the pre-op scan. When the scan is complete, the software automatically detects and highlights the preparation area for HD rendering. The highlighted area is then rendered in high resolution during post-processing to enhance scan quality. Confirm the cylinder is well positioned. You can add or remove the HD area if needed. Use the handle to increase or decrease the cylinder size. Once finished, select Review on the lower right side to move to the review screen. In the review screen, use the display option to show or hide the different scans. You can turn off the close toggle to open the arches. Tag the crown area using the tooth tagging tool. Since we have a pre-op scan in this case, we can validate the reduction distance compared to the pre-op scan. Simply click on the preparation to display the value in millimeters. You can trim your scans using the trim tool of your choice. Once finished, click Next. In the export screen, multiple export options are available. You can export your scan to your favorite laboratory by using the Straumann Access Export. Add a due date and click Send. Straumann Access will launch for you to select your desired laboratory. Select your lab and hit Send. The status of your case will now be in validation until the lab accepts it. For a full tutorial, refer to the Straumann Access playlist available on YouTube. Reminder: for the HD area, the highlighted area is rendered in high resolution during post-processing to enhance the scan quality. Make sure you use this tool for crown, bridge, and implant cases. A pre-op scan can help the lab replicate the original tooth shape when the tooth is not damaged. For more information, refer to the IFU.